After completing a successful simulation in NC-Simul, there are several ways to verify that the final piece is correctly machined. The planes function is one of many helpful tools in completing that process. When a feature in question is located inside the part, it can be useful to view and measure it before having to cut apart a first piece on the shop floor. To do this, create a new section plane. Then, choose the XYZ direction of cut, which side of the plane to view it from, and drag the dynamic motion slider to the desired location. This can be done linearly or at any angle. To examine a specific feature, simply click on the machined surface and the tool and the corresponding G-code will be activated. Another type of plane that can be utilized is the color plane. This quickly displays surfaces that lie in the same plane as one another. Again, drag the active plane to the feature in question, and both surfaces will highlight together if they are level. And the final type of plane is a section profile. By changing the appearance to slicing profile, a section view or 2D sketch of the features on that plane is shown. From there, it is possible to export the displayed section planes to an IGES file for external or internal use. Utilizing these tools and combining them with other NC-Simul comparisons and measurements makes the evaluation of internal features in a part much easier to perform virtually ahead of time instead of in the inspection room post-machining.